Okay, here we are. I'm gonna drive the X7 5.0 twin turbo V8. Probably weighs like 6,000 pounds. It's gorgeous. Take a quick walk with it here. As you can see, oh, it's locked. Absolutely fantastic interior, all kinds of bells and whistles, fully loaded. It's probably, the gentleman said, about $126,000. There's a big nose there for you. And let's go Dory drive. Driving my first X7. Obviously it's going to be the V8 one too. Oh boy. So huge, baby. So let me adjust the seat here a little bit. We'll bring it down. It should be pretty good. Just drop it a little bit more. So huge screen, beautiful leather. So you got your center section, storage, beautiful. This is a really nice finish on this trim here. However, this is not your piano black, which gets all messed up and dirty. This is a really nice, I don't know, like a matte center black. Really, really interesting. So let's get it started. And no radio. Putting up the windows. This is really fancy. I got some sort of AC running in the back. Let me get my glasses on. So we're trying to see how you do the rear AC. I have no idea, but I think we can lower the fan speed. Oh boy, I have no idea. Alright guys, anyway. Look at the mirrors. Nope. A little bit confusing, guys, I'm sorry. Oh, here we go. But how the hell do you, okay, there we go. Just a little bit of the mirrors. There we go. So press the D and we're in comfort. Let's do Sport Plus. Well, we got an enhanced. Nobody behind us. So they say this is about a, what did it say, 6 inches longer than the X5. Well, I just felt the seatbelt toggle me a little bit. So obviously this is full of sensors, technology, very similar to the 235i in terms of the displays on the instrument panel, and obviously the bigger instrumentation, obviously got a huge screen for navigation. Really nice. Just a little bit of mirror. I'm driving this thing huge. I see the display. So we're in sport. Gotta be careful with this thing. This thing's a big baby. Wow, picks up nicely, really smooth. And we got a light. Get some air through running here. So yeah, this is really fancy. I can tell all the kinds of technology. You got obviously in the 235 I felt the vibration out of your lane. This must have the same thing. Actually, you got your big navigation screen. You got all your beautiful things here of all kinds of sensors, all kinds of, and I love the digital display is not that bad. Actually, it's pretty nice. So let's take off my mask a little bit here. Yeah, I see the reason everybody's on this lane is because there's one lane to go straight, but actually oh boy, actually we can take it around. Let's go this way. This is huge. Wow, yeah, definitely it's got some power. It's probably got a 460 something horsepower most likely. Really? Then we can go this way. Wow, I'm impressed with this vehicle. It's got some nice power. This thing, this is probably a 6,000 pound SUV. So, as all I've seen, it's got the navigation. Obviously, you got the posted speed limit that posts on you here. Got all kinds of controls. Really impressive. Lower the music. Yeah, I guess this thing, yeah, I can feel it. If you switch lanes without signaling, definitely you got the vibration in the steering wheel, tries to pull you back, but I guess then it finds out that you are in three, not using your turn signals like all BMW drivers. But wow, really impressive little vehicle. I'm trying to shut down the back AC, which I don't know how you do that, but we're just driving slow, kind of getting a feel for the vehicle. The steering feel is nice. Direct, not much of a feeling, but it is pretty direct. Obviously this has the sports package 22-inch wheels on it. I'm not fully immersed in how much of a big what you get with the sports package with the X7. So, but it is a really nice vehicle. I mean, obviously it's got really spacious. You got your nice, you know, definitely got upgraded systems here with all the nice finishes on the speaker grill. Really interesting vehicle, and you know, wow. Let's sit down and drive it and see how this feels. I have no idea how to shut that down. That doesn't bother me a little bit, but it's not that bad. It does feel big. Obviously, it does feel really big compared to the M235 I just drove. This is completely different story. Yeah, definitely feels a big vehicle, but it's pretty firm. It's a firm car. Yeah, it's definitely got some pulling power. It's got a lot of torque, and you can feel the weight. You can definitely feel the weight of the vehicle. The engine pulls, and man, it's definitely feels sporty. As if we got another vehicle here next to us. Wow, yeah, this definitely defies. Right now we're in Sport Plus. Let's put it in Comfort and see how this handles. So obviously Sport Plus got, it's always on, but it's got a lot of power. This V8 is really smooth, a lot of power. I'm really impressed with it. Yeah, it's just amazing how technology has evolved with turbocharging. I mean, wow. Even if we would have put, I don't know how the inline six did it, but this feels really good. I mean, it's a really solid feeling vehicle. I can feel the BMW in this. It's really nice. It's an impressive car. I mean, this is gonna be a great family. So right now in comfort mode, still very responsive. The transmission's good. At least we're not in another lower gear. So really nice. Let's go into this lane here. But I guess, yeah, once you press the, and I'm gonna slow down a little bit. This day I can't even feel the speed you're going. This is crazy. It is a little bit stiff, or a little bit stiffer riding than I would probably just. If you don't get the sports package, I'm sure this will be nicer, but it is a little bit stiff for the liking of what this would be. So yeah, I can just a little bit off, and you feel that. Yeah, definitely. I think we'll turn here. Oh, very quiet. It's a really nice. I mean, it's just very smooth. Wow, I mean, just impressive. This is the first type of caliber of X7 I've driven. First time I driven the X7. I would love to take a trip with them. If you have a big family, absolutely. I don't know if you justify the price. Obviously, it's a little stiffer. It's a, with all this technology, we'll always see how it holds up. But it's a fantastic vehicle, very impressive. X7 M50i. Wow, yeah, BMW definitely knows what they're doing. It is obviously the steering, you can't complain about it, but what can you do? Obviously, it's it's part of the new future that's coming up. Wow. So we got a double pane sunroof, got a black Alcantara liner. Let me see, we got mirrors here, all kinds of basic things here. Really impressive car. And I'm sorry to say that again, but it's just amazing how technology has just advanced. And driving my E90 328 with so little torque and an old transmission, these transmissions are just power on. Really impressive. Really impressive car. Obviously, I can't give you full detail. I'm not gonna be in, but then just go for a half hour and disappear. There's people waiting for this car. So, but really impressed with my test drive. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Oh.